Hello friends, in continuation to previous video, so I'm going to talk about package management in Windows using Ansible and also some more playbooks we are going to see related to user creation. So before getting started, please go through my previous videos on using Ansible for Windows host so that you have better idea and clear picture of how to set up Windows host to be managed by Ansible. And also please share and subscribe my channel. So without delaying further, let's get started. So I have this Ansible machine and Windows host, which is reachable, which we created in previous session. So you can see it's reachable from Ansible. Okay. So let me bring up that playbook. Win user. So this is the playbook. It will help me to create a user in Windows with the name Ansible and password, whatever the password I have given Ansible in different form, and state you. So you know that when I say state is equal to present, it clearly means that I'm mentioning that user should be present in that machine. So to create user in that user in Windows, we use win user module. Okay, so for Windows we will see most of the modules with win as prefix. So let's try and run this playbook. So I have to change the host there. All I have to mention my Windows host group name. Now we can just check if it is going to run or not. Let's check it. Super, it's going to run. So let's now run it. This was the dry run which I did. If you are not sure that what is it and what are syntax check, how syntax check is done and how dry run is done, follow my initial videos of Ansible. So let's run this playbook. So now I have successfully created a user with Ansible name in my Windows machine. Okay. Let's check it out. See. Let's go and check if we have successfully created that user. So we have the user Ansible now created in Windows machine, okay, which we created using this playbook. So this is how to create user in Windows machine using Ansible module. Okay, so let's see some more examples. As I told you already that when we install package in Windows using Ansible module, there are some ways to do that. One of the way is using Chocolatey Package Manager. Let me show you the link. So this Chocolatey Package Manager will give you most of the installers in form of MSI packages so that you can easily install them. More secure way of installing any software in Windows. That is what Chocolatey Package Manager gives you the ability to do. So what I am going to do, I'm going to use Chocolatey Package Manager to install. Let's see what playbook I have, what package I'm going to install. So this is the playbook which I'm going to use, Win package install. Let's check out the playbook. Again another small playbook. So host I have mentioned directly here, Win host the group. Task I'm going to install Git, and how I'm going to install through Chocolatey Package Manager. So we have a module to do that, Win Chocolatey. I just have to pass the name of the software I want to install and state present. It means that I want this package to be installed in my machine. So Win Chocolatey is the module that helps you to install any package which is available in Chocolatey Package Manager. Okay, this is the link to that. So let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and do the dry run of this playbook. So it will not fail. Let's now actually install it and see if it installs Git in my system or not. So I have successfully installed Git package in my system. Okay, so let's check if it got installed. So I have got Git bash here, which clearly means that I have successfully installed Git. Okay, so this is how we install package in Windows using Ansible playbook. So what all things we did till now? So I created a user in Windows, I installed a package in Windows, all using Ansible, right? So there are many other playbooks which you guys can create. So I would suggest you to try also creating playbooks for like multiple users using loop we have already seen using with items. Okay, so try creating those playbooks for Windows users or packages, multiple installation of multiple packages using one playbook. So try doing that. So in coming sessions we are going to see how to how to create a common playbook which will help me do the tasks. Okay, which will help me, like I want to install package, like I want to install Git together in all the Windows machines and Linux machines. So how to create a conditional playbook which will help you to do that. So that conditional playbook will run through Win Chocolatey for Windows machines and through the Ansible and through the Linux modules for Linux machines. So we will see how we can create one conditional playbook for both Windows and Linux, and also we will see how to run PowerShell scripts. Suppose if you don't want to use Chocolatey Package Manager to install any package on Windows, then if you already have that downloaded in your system, let's say that maybe you want to install the application that you have developed in the remote Windows machine using Ansible, then how to do that using PowerShell. So we will see all those things in my coming videos. Okay, so thank you guys, see you in next session. Bye bye.